Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can log into your Neopets account. So you have a Neopets account, there you use it to have a virtual pet for yourself, but for some reason you can't figure out how you can log into your account. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps to log into your Neopets account. So the first thing you want to do in order to log into your Neopets account is open your browser and go to neopets.com. Once you go to neopets.com, you'll land on an interface like this. Here on the top right corner, you'll see two options, one to log in, one to sign up. So click on the login option to log into your Neopets account. Once you click on the login option, you land on an interface like this. Here you'll need to enter the credentials to your Neopets account in order to log into your Neopets. So enter your username. Once you enter your username, enter the password to the Neopets account. So once you enter your username and password to your Neopets account, click on the login button. Once you click on the login button, you'll successfully log into your Neopets account. Here you'll see all your virtual pets. Choose one and enjoy using Neopets. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.